12 SUP Yoga Poses and Tips for Beginners. SUP Yoga, or stand-up paddleboard yoga, has gained popularity in recent years. It's a fun and challenging way to get a great workout while enjoying the outdoors. Hello and welcome to the lindyyoga.com podcast. If you're looking for a challenging workout that also gets you out in the fresh air, SUP Yoga, stand-up paddleboarding yoga, might be for you. In this article, you'll learn about the benefits of stand-up paddleboarding yoga, what you need to do it, and popular yoga exercises to try. What is SUP Yoga? SUP Yoga is the practice of learning the traditional yoga poses, but adding the added challenge of standing up on a board. While SUP Yoga isn't exactly new, it has been growing in popularity for the past few years. Nowadays, there are classes available at local gyms, and even several online courses that are designed to teach you how to do this. What are the benefits of SUP Yoga? The benefits of SUP Yoga include the physical benefits of yoga, the mental benefits of yoga, and some benefits that may surprise you. SUP Yoga activates new muscles. If you're an active person who enjoys the outdoors, SUP Yoga is a great option. The main benefit of SUP Yoga is that it requires a lot of balance and coordination. This will engage new muscles. This means that anyone who struggles with these activities will probably enjoy it. A new kind of workout. I don't know about you, but I get bored quickly when it comes to working out. That's why I love finding new ways to cross-train and change up my routine. It challenges my body in new ways and uses different muscles while resting others that are used more frequently. It's also a great way to add variety and keep me motivated. SUP Yoga is a great cross-training because it is so different from all other forms of exercise. It requires good balance and concentration, challenges you in new ways, and helps you improve your fitness and recovery at the same time. Less stress. Traditional exercise combined with yoga can be particularly effective at reducing stress. This is because yoga can help you focus on deep breathing, which in turn promotes the release of endorphins and slows the release of stress hormones. Although it can be frustrating at first not being able to perform a pose perfectly, you will eventually feel less stressed by the activity. Better balance. In summary, stand-up paddle boarding improves your balance as does yoga. If you combine these two activities, your balance will improve significantly. Improves technique. Another benefit of SUP Yoga is that it improves your yoga practice on land. If you can perform the yoga exercises in the middle of the water on a stand-up paddle board, they will also come easily to you in your daily practice. If you enjoy yoga and want to improve your techniques, try yoga on the water. You'll be surprised how much easier it is to perform yoga poses on land after you've practiced in the water. Sharpen your focus. Although SUP Yoga can be difficult, it's also a great way to work on your focus. Read the full article on www.lindyyoga.com and discover the 12 SUP Yoga poses and tips for beginners. With how-to videos. Just click the link below the video.